वेलकम टू वीलर्न में आपका स्वागत है। सब्जेक्ट ऑपरेशन रिसर्च, सेशन नंबर 11 पार्ट 2 और 11B। टॉपिक टू बी कवर्ड: इन्वेंट्री मॉडलिंग, डिटर्मिनिस्टिक सिंगल आइटम इन्वेंट्री मॉडल्स एंड डिटर्मिनिस्टिक मल्टी आइटम इन्वेंट्री मॉडल्स। Inventory modeling. The methodology for modeling inventory situations is based on 4 steps. Number 1, examine the inventory situation carefully, listing characteristics and assumptions concerning the situation. Number 2, develop the total annual relevant cost equation in narrative. Total annual relevant cost equal to cost of items plus procurement cost plus carrying cost plus stock out cost or cost / sales back order. Number 3, transform the total annual cost equation from narrative into the shorthand logic of the mathematics. Number 4, optimize the cost equation by finding the optimum for how much to order, when to reorder and the total relevant cost. तो इस तरह से इन्वेंट्री मॉडल अगर हम बनाते हैं तो ये 4 स्टेप्स हम लेते हैं। सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, पहले कॉस्ट ऑफ इक्विजिशन प्लस परचेजेज फर्स्ट स्टेप में कैलकुलेट करते हैं, देन कैरिंग, देन इक्विजिशन कॉस्ट, देन होल्डिंग कॉस्ट, देन प्रोसेसिंग कॉस्ट, देन स्टॉक आउट कॉस्ट। इस तरह से हम जो है अलग अलग करके इक्वेशन बना सकते हैं। एंड नाउ डिटरमिनिस्टिक सिंगल आइटम इन्वेंट्री मॉडल्स, the economic order quantity model EOQ. The EOQ concept is applicable under the following condition. Number 1, the item is replenished in lots or batches either by purchasing or by manufacturing. Number 2, consumptions of items is uniform and continuous. ये जो है आपके इकोनॉमिक ऑर्डर क्वांटिटी की assumptions भी कहलाते हैं। The model is described under the following situation. Number 1, planning period is 1 year, के कम से कम प्लानिंग पीरियड 1 साल का होना चाहिए। डिमांड इज डिटरमिनिस्टिक एंड इंडिकेटेड बाय पैरामीटर D units per year. दैट मीन्स एक यूनिट जो होंगे वो आपको नोन होने चाहिए। कॉस्ट ऑफ परचेज और प्राइस ऑफ 1 यूनिट इज C, दैट मीन्स वो भी कांस्टेंट रहेगा आपका कॉस्ट ऑफ प्राइस। कॉस्ट ऑफ ऑर्डरिंग इज CO फॉर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग गुड्स, it is known as setup cost. Cost of holding stock is CH per unit per year, expressed either in terms of cost per unit per period or in terms of percentage charge of the purchase price. Deterministic single item inventory model 3, shortage cost, mostly it is back order cost, is C's per unit per year. Lead time is L, expressed in units of time. And cycle period of replenishment is T and order size is Q. And it can be shown by this figures where reorder level, reorder quantity, replenish model, etc. For this model the various level of inventories are fixed as follows. Minimum level जो होता है, minimum level हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे, which is equal to safety stock or buffer stock minus maximum level equal to minimum level plus economic ordering quantity, and reorder level equal to minimum level plus consumption during lead time. Safety stock is not required for this case. Safety stock is 0, minimum level is 0, maximum inventory is the order size or lot size. The average inventory per cycle equal to 1/2 multiply maximum lead level plus minimum level. दैट मीन्स जो एवरेज इन्वेंट्री अगर हम निकालना चाहते हैं तो मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम का एवरेज निकालते हैं। सो टोटल एनुअल रेलिवेंट कॉस्ट इक्वल टू एनुअल परचेज कॉस्ट प्लस एनुअल ऑर्डरिंग कॉस्ट प्लस एनुअल कैरिंग कॉस्ट, जैसा मैंने अभी बताया, विच इज इक्वल टू परचेज यूनिट मल्टीप्लाई क्वांटिटी परचेज पर ईयर प्लस कॉस्ट ऑफ ऑर्डरिंग पर ऑर्डर मल्टीप्लाई नंबर ऑफ ऑर्डर प्लेस्ड प्लस कॉस्ट ऑफ कैरिंग 1 यूनिट्स मल्टीप्लाई एवरेज नंबर ऑफ यूनिट कैरीड। Number of orders per year equal to annual demand divided by the order size, which is equal to D upon Q. TC total quantity, total cost equal to CD plus C0 D upon Q plus CH multiply Q by 2, and it can be presented by this figures like ordering size Q, annual ordering cost curve, then annual purchase cost curve, then annual carrying cost curve, then total cost curve, इस तरह से। और TC जो है आपकी इस तरह शो की जाएगी। Then EOQ, economic order quantity, equal to Q star, which is equal to square root of 2 times of the ordering cost multiplied by annual demand models divided by carrying cost per unit, which is equal to under root 2 CD upon CH. The cycle period T is given by optimal order quantity divided by annual demand, or T star equal to Q star upon D, which is equal to under root 2 C0 upon CT into D. The total number of order per year N is the reciprocal of the cycle period. So N equal to D upon Q star, which is equal to root C0 D upon twice C0. Total annual cost equal to TC equal to CD plus under root 2 C0 CH into D. Model sensitivity. It indicates that small variations in optimal order size will not change the total cost appreciably. The economic order quantity model second, this can be shown as per the figures given here. Then price discount model. When items are purchased in bulk, some discount in price is usually offered by the supplier. जब हम ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी खरीदते हैं तो हमें कुछ ना कुछ डिस्काउंट मिल जाता है, जिसको हम ट्रेड डिस्काउंट कहते हैं. When discount is applicable for all the units purchased, it known as all unit discount. If discount are offered only for items which are in excess of the specified amount, it is known as incremental discount. But in case in the incremental discount, all the prices offered in different slabs are applicable in finding the total discount. Price discount model 2. Buying in large quantity may result in the following advantages. Number 1, lower unit price. Number 2, lower ordering cost. Number 3, cheaper transportation. Number 4, fewer stock outs. Number 5, mass display by retailers. Number 6, preferentially treatment by seller. Price discount model. C may vary according to the following schemes. C equal to P0 if purchase quantity Q equal to Q0 less V1, equal to P1 if V1 less than equal to Q1 less than V2, equal to P0 if Vn less than Qn, where Pj1 is greater than Pj for j equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on, and Pj being the price per unit for the jth lot size. If shortage are not allowed, the total cost per year is explained by the set of relations where TCQ equal to dPj plus C0d upon Q1 plus 1 by 2 CH into Qj, where Vj less than equal to Qj less than equal to Vj. And now price discount model 6. Step 1, find EOQ for the lowest price. Calculate Q star by using the formula 2C0d upon IPN. If Qn greater than equal to Vn, the optimum order quantity is Qn. If Qn less than Vn, go to next step. Then compute Qn minus 1 equal to root 2C0d upon IPn minus 1 for the next lowest price. Then if Qn minus 1 greater than equal to Bn minus 1, then compare the total cost Tcn minus 1 for purchasing Q star n minus 1 with the total cost Tcn for purchasing quantity Bn and select least cost purchase quantity. If Q star n minus 1 less than Bn minus 1, go to the step 3. Step 3, compute Qn minus 2 by using previous step. Then step 4, continue in this manner until Qn minus j greater than equal to Bn minus j. Then compare total cost Tcn minus j with Tcn minus j plus 1. Now dynamic model or dynamic demand model. Production inventory model, incremental cost methods. Example, manufacturing concern has a fixed weekly cycle demand as follows. demand is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. 9, 17, 20, 19, 9, 14. Policy is to be maintained constantly, daily production 7 days a week. Shortage cost is rupees 4 per unit per day and shortage cost depend upon the size of queue. The quantity carried as follows. Cost per unit for 1 day equal to 1, 4, 10. Q equal to 1 less than equal to Q less than equal to 3. 4 equal to less than equal to Q less than equal to 20 and 20 less than equal to Q. The charges are based on the end of the day situation, determine the optimal starting stock level, and it can be solved by using this example. And then dynamic inventory model, prescribed rule method. The company dealing with inventory may prescribe some rules of the procurement of items, say procuring every 3 months or every month. Example, a company estimates the demand of an item as follows, which is equal to 130, 88, 52, 124, 10, 62, 12, 154, 129, 160, 238, 41 and total 1200. Ordering cost equal to 54, carrying charge per unit per month 2% at the end of each month. Unit cost rupees 20, supply is extenuous, there is no lead time and no stock outs. Only full month requirement is ordered. And this can be solved by using the figures. Then total replacement cost equal to 4 into 54, 216. Total carrying cost 1058 multiply 0.02 multiply 20, which is equal to 423.0. Then total annual cost equal to 216 plus 423.20, which is equal to 639.20. Then total ordering cost 8 into 54, 432, and total carrying cost 340 into 0.40, 136. Then total cost equal to 568. Thus the total cost is reduced if EOQ policy is used. 3 months rule. And our dynamic inventory model, the silver meal heuristics. The relevant cost per unit time for the durations of the replenishment quantity are minimized. If the replenishment arrives at the beginning of the first period and it covers the requirement up to the end of the T period, then we find the average cost per period as this one. KT equal to ordering cost plus total carrying cost to the end of the period T divided by T, which is equal to C0 plus carrying cost T upon T. If T equal to 1, we order the 1 period, there is no carrying cost, so K1 equal to C0 plus Q upon 1 minus C0. If T equal to 2, the carrying cost will be the period 2 demand carrying for 1 month multiply carrying cost per unit. Then K2 equal to C0 plus D2 CH upon 2. Similarly K3 C0 D2 C0 plus 2D 3CH upon 3 plus and so on. And then dynamic inventory model, benders within methods. This is a dynamic program method by which an optimal result can be obtained for the dynamic inventory period. Dynamic programming methods is based on a principle of optimality, which optimizes the total of the relevant cost for the current period plus the optimum cost for the remaining periods. Deterministic single team inventory models. When the inventories consist of many items, the control requires special types of the attention. Model with unknown cost structures. Many organizations in India do not maintain the proper records, which may provide a sufficient cost of information to generate the two basic parameters of the inventory control, carrying cost and the procurement cost. Then in some situations, some organizations which have not developed cost structure related to inventory control still wish to minimize total cost of inventory management. In some critical situations, an organizations may need to take immediate actions to improve the situations without considering the cost structure. Deterministic single term inventory model 3. There are two approaches to such a problems. Number 1, to minimize the total carrying cost while keeping the number of orders per year fixed. Number 2, to minimize the total number of orders per year while keeping the same level of inventory. Deterministic single term inventory model 4. Model 1, We develop a model to minimize total inventory holding cost and keeping the total number of orders per year unchanged. From EOQ model, we know that Q equal to root 2 C0D upon CH and Q star equal to 2 C0 upon CH into root D, which is equal to K root D, where K equal to 0H under root 2 C upon C, a constant because ordering cost and carrying cost are deterministic values. Model second, Q star equal to K into root D or K equal to Q star upon root D. From here we take up K equal to sigma of Q star upon sigma of root D for all the inventory items. Model with non-cost structure. When the cost structure is known completely, we discuss the following models. In these models, we consider symbolic notions COI, CHI, DI for the ordering cost, carrying cost and demand for ith item respectively. Model without limitation. If there are no restrictions for the storing items, the items may be purchased according to their individual economic order quantity. The total variable cost per annum for nth item can be expressed as TC equal to summation of I equal to J and C0 D1 upon Q1 plus CH Q1 upon T. The optimum order size for each item is Q1 star equal to root 2 C0 D1 upon CH for I equal to 1 3 plus and so on. Model with limitation. The constraint on the inventory may be of floor space restriction, capability, capital availability, number of orders per year, etc. We will discuss a model with single restriction. Floor space restrictions and capital availability restrictions are interchangeable. If QI is the order quantity for the item I and Fi is the floor space covered by 1 unit of item I and total availability of floor space capital is F. Model with limitation to the restrictions is summation of Fi Qi, which is equal to F1 Q1 plus F2 Q2 plus and so on Fn Qn. This problem is converted to unconstrained minimization problem first and then optimal result is obtained. The problem is to minimize the functions known as Lagrangian functions. Lagrangian functions is L P1 Q1 Q2 Q3 and so on, summation of C1 D1 upon Q1 plus Cn C2 D2 upon 2 plus P summation of F O minus F. The value of optimal order size are Q equal to root 2 C0 D1 upon CH plus 2 PT for I equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. And now do it yourself. Define inventory modeling. And question number 2, if carrying cost is 20% per unit per year, unit price is rupees 2 and ordering cost is rupees 20 per order for an items used in a company in the following pattern. Find the ordering schedule and the total inventory cost using fixed EOQ model. And that's it from session number 11. Thank you.